Find or read reviews that people are talking about REDTIGER F7N-PLUS dashcam front rear, 4K/2.5K Full HD dash camera for cars, free 32 GB card, built-in Wi-Fi GPS. 3.16-inch IPS screen, night vision, 170 degrees wide angle, WDR, 24 hours parking mode. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. 4K plus 1080p dual recording. REDTIGER brings to you F7N-P dual dashcam which records video of up to Ultra HD 4K, 3840x2160p, plus FHD 1080p resolutions. It helps you to read the key details like road signs, vehicle number plates and more. To reduce the blind areas, it has the front wide angle of 170 degree and rear wide angle of 140 degree. This helps you during unexpected circumstances like collision to retain and present evidence. Superior night vision. The driving recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers. And is equipped with HDR/WDR technology to capture important details clearly under low light conditions. Wi-Fi/smart app control. You just need to connect the dashcam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi and then you can use the REDTIGER app to view, playback, and manage the dashcam on your iOS or Android devices. You can also download and edit videos in the app. By just one click you can share your travel scenery and wonderful moments with your friends and family. Dashcam with GPS. This dashcam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, and more. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac GPS player, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Reliable features for accident recording. Even when the card is full, the dashcam will continue recording with its loop recording feature. As soon as the G sensor detects a sudden collision, it locks and saves the collision video. It also has a 24 hours parking monitor available on the dashcam to record continuously for 24 hours with time-lapse function at parking mode. Please note that a hardware kit is needed. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.